What PNBF, I only know what you guys read on social media. Kasi I just arrived today. I was out of town, so I don't really know what's going on there. I just read what's in social media, that's all.
Sir, pero given yung nangyari ng suspension, does this have an
I
effect
don't-
on PBL?
I don't think so. Wala naman siguro, di ba? But I don't know even if the suspension holds, di ba? Hindi ko alam. I don't know what's going on yet. I'll find out.
So were you shocked or surprised or anything? Okay.
Kasi wala naman, no inkling ako. So, sabi ko, totoo kaya ito, di ba? Kasi ang dami naman fake news sa social media, di ba? Hindi, mamayang gawin, magkikita kami ni Tony Boy, so I'll find out exactly what's going on.
Sir, ang immediate concern kasi yung sa ABC na i-host natin. So, ano kaya mangyayari doon?
I think the one in Candon, tuloy na yun, di ba? Kasi I think it's too late to cancel. But I don't know, I have no idea about the others. Wala pa kaming, we haven't sat down with the PSC and all the other agencies concerned.
Going back to the PBL, may mga teams ba na came on the league?
Meron, but they told me I'm not at liberty to announce kung sino. Pero meron, there are two of them actually.
Yeah, can you give us a clue like what company kung
Hindi, basta electric, alam ko, power company itong isa.
power company?
Yeah, di ba? So, wala pa nga.
So this conference or
Di pa, pinapag-aralan din nila. They're asking questions. They want to join. Anong mga requirements, gano'n, magkano yung entry fee, gano'n. Sabi, we're still talking. Wala naman kaming entry fee talaga. Di ba?
wala pong mga new rules coming?
Sa ngayon, wala pa. Pero siguro magkakaroon na kami ng salary cap. Di ba, yung mga gano'n.
About, sir, can you talk about lang po na second staging na ng PBL Awards night for this year?
Maganda nga, di ba? Sana every year ganito. Di ba? Kasi it's good for the awardees to, siyempre, natutuwa sila, di ba? So it's parang yung hard work nila, the training and all that, sulit naman, di ba? May award sila. Good. Very successful. Congratulations to the PVL press corps. Yeah.